Y'all, this is my very first tomato. Hey y'all, I am glad to be back with you. It's been a minute since I had a video, but welcome to Live on Helton Creek. Thank you for joining me today, live from my greenhouse. Man, we have been so busy. I'm not sure I'm gonna have a big enough garden because I have way too many tomatoes, way too many of everything. I up potted 30 tomato plants, and you know, a lot of these I just wanted to see if I could grow them, and I want to take a minute to show you guys my starts. Okay, these are recent, so there's nothing green in there yet, but look at my zinnias. Aren't they beautiful? And there's a lot of them, and I still have a pack that I'm gonna sow, just sowing the seeds. So I'll have some at different levels. So I've got some broccoli, peppers. It takes a while for them to germinate, and a lot of heat. Here's the up pots that Josie and I did, and I'll have some footage of that on here. She's learning. Here's some cucumbers, the pickling kind. I'm excited for those. And here's all my peppers. And actually, here's the orange tomatoes, and they're beginning to come up. And there's my Abe Lincoln, that entire tray, and they're beginning to come up. Next week, they're saying we could be in the 30s, possible frost. So I do have a heater in here, and my brother and sister-in-law said this is more of a she shed than it is a greenhouse, because I do have a chair, I do have a heater, and I do have music, and look at the view. How much time would you spend in here if that's what you had to look at? Today, all the girls are back on the hill, but we're going to go see them in a minute. There's just a lot going on here at Life on Helton Creek. I'm telling you, our creek, which I think I'll throw some footage in here of the 5 inches of rain we had. Probably around 12 to 14 hours. We had 5 inches of rain. Our creeks got out of bank, but let me tell you, Helton Creek didn't do so bad, but the Smith Fork Creek that it feeds washed out roads, covered bridges. So I will be throwing a hodgepodge of information in here, and yes, Ezra, there will be cows. Y'all hang out with me, and let's see what we can get into today. Well, 5 inches of rain, you gotta go find your mineral feeders in the gully that got washed away. That's a lot of water. We're now on Smith Creek, Smith Fork. Man, because he can't get through. Bob, that's up a whole lot. Think? Yep. And here we go through the next branch. I think Rowdy cares for that too much. spring. Just like people, cows need minerals to stay healthy. And they love it. Miss Dot's getting the first bite. And it's funny, but just like the hay, some girls will love this feeder and some girls will only eat out of this feeder. So it's just like the hay. Put 6 rolls out and they eat every other one. These mineral feeders are the same way. You see them coming out of the woods. There's the baby. Pa?
Yeah.
Watch him. Woo! He's running to you. Hello, 16. My gracious. I guess they got a little allergy too, huh? Everything's really greening up with the rain and the sunshine and what's not flooded out. Take a day or two for all this to dry up, but with the wind blowing like it is today, that'll help speed it up some. Come on, girls. Strawberry's coming up to 16 because she thinks 16's got something she don't have. Strawberry, we put mineral out, baby. That's all. Go get you some mineral, okay? There's my cake. Everybody looks good and healthy. Well, I reckon he got into some sneeze weed. My gracious. Here come the rest of them. For those of you who are new to our channel, that is Chili Bean, and he's our little farm mascot, and we like to call him, I like to call him my unicorn, because he only has one horn. He's a Jersey that came here as a baby, and there were other plans for him, they fell through, so he's just hanging with us for life. He's just our mascot, and he's a good babysitter, and he's a good cow. He's gentle. He's a steer. But isn't he handsome? Hi, Chili. Well, that little dude's been fighting something. Look at his head. Her head. Hello, sweet boy. Mom and daughter. Here comes Little Bit. Looks like he's got eyeliner on, don't he? Oh. He's done bedded down. Mama. All these little red ones. Hmm? What are y'all doing? Are y'all letting her in the group? Hmm. Are y'all gonna let her play reindeer games after all? That's a first, Pa. Thanks once again for joining me at Life on Helton Creek today. We've had so much rain, as you saw, and we're hoping to dry out a little this week, but then we've got a cold snap, and we've already had redbud winter. And I'm suspecting, if I have it correct, this will be dogwood winter coming up this week, because dogwoods usually bloom for Easter. And then I realized that I have to fix a plot for my wildflowers, for my bees, and my hummingbirds, and my butterflies, because I don't think I'm going to have enough room in my garden. And I don't want to put them in my garden because they'll come back next year. So now that leaves me in a dilemma. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Paul might not be too happy, but I'll figure it out. So anyway, you know, I hope you have a blessed week. I hope your week is fabulous and everything goes your way. And good things come your way all week long, every day. Spread some kindness around. Smile at a stranger. Do something nice. Spread it around. Come back.